competition?
Yeah, I'm number one. I know how to sing. I know myself.
What do you have experience?
Yes, I have got too much experience.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
How long do you wanna do?
Something like 9 a day.
A day.
Yeah.
Wow.
Me. Don't play with me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, have a good luck.
Thank you very much.
Lal from South Africa. James from Lesotho. Robel Cross from Ethiopia.
Ready? Go.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Hey, do this.
How are you feeling?
It's good. Very nice.
Did you make training?
Yeah. A day. 6 time.
6 times
Yeah.
every day.
Every morning. 6.
Even night.
Yeah.
Even
Night time also.
Sunday and Monday.
Yeah.
Every day.
Every day, my man.
Yeah.
Me. Oh,
Yeah.
I know.
Now you are on last by this competition.
Yeah, I don't care. Serious.
You don't care?
Yeah, I don't care.
Do you have any message for your people with your own language, with your own tongue?
Yeah.
I mean, you can use Amharic to translate.
ወንድሜው እንግዲህ ዋና አያችሁ አንችልም ውጋ ይሻላል ከዋና አንችልም እኛ ጦርነት ነው መርጦ ነው
Thank you.